Kaya nga, si DSWD ay handang tumulong at tayo po nakapagbibigyan na ng cash relief assistance para sa ating mga victims, lalo na itong mga may namatayan and also those injured. So sa ngayon, we are also working with our partners, lalo na itong mga hospitals, so that matinan din namin kung paano pa namin sila matulungan. As of now, kasi recuperating pa sila doon. So we are, of course, in close contact with the CSWDO because they are also providing assistance then. So as of now, nakaprovide na tayo more or less close to 300,000. Binigyan na po natin yung mga families. So that's the total po sa buong, we have 3 na namatayan and then I think we have 15 no, na nabigyan natin. Yung sinabi mong mabalance, we just would like to siguro to emphasize that kasi ang daming kumakalat sa uneven interpretations, no? And even I think all of us knows so, ano yung statement ng bata na sinabi nila na because we are minors, hindi kami makukulong. So we would like to emphasize siguro that the fact that yung bata ngayon ay nandito na sa atin, makikita natin wala siyang, deprived na siya ngayon of liberty, of freedom. Freedom to play like a normal child, like a child, no? No, like a child that you should enjoy everything, yung the care, the love, no, and the presence of the parents because siya ngayon ay nasa custody natin. Also, wala din silang freedom na makipag-cellphone, makipag-TV and all. And more so, hindi nga sila makalabas. So, that itself is already somehow a penalty or there is a tawag natin dito the accountability no of that and the result of their actions. Merong ganitong nangyari ngayon na hindi na sila ganun ka-open no to do what they want. So somehow still na-serve din natin yung sinasabi natin, meron ding pananagutan yung bata. Now, while they have the rights, we have to also emphasize that meron din silang dapat pananagutan. At yun yung gusto natin ma-disseminate na yung mga bata ngayon, they are not free. But they are there inside a facility and they cannot just simply go out and do what they want. Yes, no? CDSWD is also the chair of the Regional Juvenile Justice Committee or the RJJWC. With that, we just had our meeting yesterday because alam natin na hindi lang specific to this incident, alam natin that it takes a village to raise a child. So that's why kailangan yung whole of nation approach natin. And during our meeting, we have to come up with ano ba yung mga gagawin natin, ano ba yung mga, it could be a policy, it could be an intervention, a program, that each agency as mandated by law to ensure so that wala nang mangyaring ganito ulit. So we come up with each agency has to come up with that and the commitment again that paano ba natin ma-enhance or paano ba natin ma-strengthen no yung nakalagay sa batas. Kasi kung titingnan mo, the intention of the law is very good. No, it's really for helping children. Na ngayon, kailangan lang siguro natin i-strengthen. Meron na tayong mga structures and we have yung sabi nga natin meron tayong BCPC, LCPC sa munisipyo and all. But again, kailangan i-review natin. Baka kailangan lang natin i-revisit. Ano pa ba yung kailangan gawin no ng bawat agency responsible to respond on this mga ganitong mga situations or cases.